There were opportunities that should have progressed faster, given that their company was trying to put a spotlight on security solutions as part of this new strategy. And so logically, you would think that those kinds of opportunities would be, promoted more heavily. And they were, but we didn't when it came time to actually getting in front of prospects or at events, even doing presentations at events, he couldn't do that piece of it. And so we had to bring in, or I had to bring in more overlay specialists from the United States. And so there's kind of that wasted kind of money budget to bring in people when I probably should have had someone local to handle that kind of stuff. So that's one thing. But then just even the opportunities themselves, if he got involved in the opportunities, again, the prospects would like him because he's a likable person, but his ability to kind of like persuade or even to clearly communicate the value proposition, the business value proposition, he struggled there. So he'd have more conversations than necessary. And so the cycle was slowed down. And that frustrated the account executives who I got along with really well. I would collaborate with those people all the time. And so they trusted me. And I think their esteem for me as a good, solid manager kind of dropped a notch or two because of that. And that's for me, that's fine. That's part of being a manager. You make mistakes like that. But I felt bad that I was affecting, their prospects to make some money and close some deals and that sort of thing. So there were some deals that not just slipped, but failed. They just closed, lost sort of thing.